My name is Rajeshwar Naidu, businessman by profession. I am a faculty in Art of Living. I am also a core committee member in Save Life India. Today we have many statistics available about availability of blood in India. As per the statistics, hardly 1% is available as compared to the amount of blood required in emergencies. Leave aside the statistics. Let us just practically see the aspects. Now, how many blood banks are there in India? Every small town in India has got at least one blood bank, and a city like Mumbai or Bangalore, we have more than 10-15 blood banks available across the city. In spite of that, can you confidently say that you can get any group of blood at any point of the day or night? Can you say that? We have many social clubs available like Lions Club, Rotary Club. In fact, I am a part of Lions Club also. We conduct so many blood camps across the country, blood donation camps across the country, and throughout the year this kind of service activities happen. But in spite of that, we still run around for blood during emergency. Isn't it so? Now, if you need any particular blood in emergency, you go to a blood bank and ask them for the blood. Will you be able to get it straight without any hassles? No, you need to give some replacement for the blood what you are going to receive, and preferably the same group, which means in spite of the blood banks available, you have to arrange for a donor when you need blood. In case some blood banks might ask for money and they may give you the blood without replacement, I think so. We have launched a project called Save Life India Blood Donors Club, which is simply a website which has got list of blood donors throughout India. Who are, if you are from any part of India, you will find a donor in the city or town nearer to the place where you live. You just have to give a call to him or her. They will come and donate the blood as and when you need it. Because they are the voluntary blood donors who they themselves have come up and registered as blood donors. The Save Life India Blood Donors Club, within 2 to 3 months of launching, we already have thousands of blood donors available, and we have already saved many lives across India. What I suggest, instead of donating blood in any blood donation camps, you just visit the website www.savelifeindia.org and enter all your details, name, blood group and phone number, all these details. Even if you want to hide the phone numbers, you can do that. As and when anybody wants blood, you will receive a message from the website. If you are not, if you don't have access to the website, what you can do is that you can just dial this number 9377 999 800. Some volunteer will call you and take the details from you and upload it to the website. And I appeal to social clubs to conduct blood group detection camps instead of blood donation camps and upload the data to our website. And we are ready to work with you and make it a grand success. We can save thousands of lives across India for the years to come.
I am Venkatesh Shet, Chartered Accountant from Margam, Goa. I am one of the members in advisory panel of Save Life India. It is proved that donating blood will have a better and longer life. Also, it is proved that donating blood will lower the chances of brain and heart strokes. Now, human blood is an essential element in the human body, and there is no substitute for human blood. people work very hard and save money for their future emergencies, so that it is required for some emergencies, it will help them in future. So similarly here at Save Life India, we are maintaining the database of the blood donor, so that the needy people in emergencies can contact the members at the database and take required blood and save someone's precious life.